The topic of biological males competing in biological women's sports has been at the front lines of the political landscape for years, and that was being considered again today, as News 9's Olivia Zinn explains.
The future of women's sports was brought up in Washington, D.C. Tuesday, potentially affecting nearly 30 states, including West Virginia.
The U.S. Supreme Court heard oral arguments from West Virginia Attorney General J.B. McCuskey. McCuskey is standing with other Republicans statewide defending the Save the Women's Sports Act.
Muscle structure and bone structure is just different between boys and girls or men and women.
Delegate Jeff Stephens represents portions of Marshall County. He notes his stance is due to his years of experience in public education as a teacher and a coach.
I think this is a great thing to keep, in protection for women in sports. Having coached girls basketball before, I know how important it is to them. And part of my job is to listen to my constituents. And so to protect them and to protect the sports that they play, I think it's important.
The questions being brought to the Supreme Court deal with Title IX and the Equal Protection Clause, asking if Title IX prevents a state from consistently designating girls and boys as sports teams based on biological sex.
Respondent attacks the law by searching for a transgender classification that simply isn't there. The law is indifferent to gender identity because sports are indifferent to gender identity.
The West Virginia legislature concluded to keep separate female teams while permitting males on co-ed teams.
It's worked so well since it was passed to protect women's sports, and look how much they've grown in the past 60 years.
And the West Virginia Attorney General's office is expecting a decision to be made in June. News 9 will, of course, keep you updated. In the Wheeling Content Center, I'm Olivia Zinn, News 9.
Hi, I'm Olivia Zinn. Thanks so much for watching. Here's another video for you to check out, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.